Credit scores range between 300 and 850 points. If yours is between 700 and 739, it's rated as good by both VantageScore and FICO. With this score, you can easily get new credit cards and loans and any type of mortgage that you want. You'll qualify for good interest rates, but to get the very best deals, you'll need to improve your score a little more. To improve your score, you should pay off your debts, continue to make on-time credit card payments in full each month, and dispute any errors on your credit report. To check for errors, go to annualcreditreport.com to request yours once a year for free from the 3 main credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you make an effort, you'll be able to improve your score and qualify for the best interest rates in a few months to a few years. In the meantime, if you need a new credit card or loan, you'll have plenty of options. Remember to use your credit responsibly so your score continues to improve. To take the next step towards better finances, watch these videos.